Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Brain Boy Man, where we drop all updates on crypto airdrops and how to make money with crypto. Alright guys, before I jump into today's video, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button if you want to see more contents like this. Yeah, so let's jump right into the video. So guys, I stumbled across a new airdrop, a new Telegram project, which I guess is going to be like the next Blom or even bigger. It's called Tomarket Airdrop. Yeah, so let's jump right into the video. I'll put a link for you to register in the description below. So when you click on the link, this notice will pop up on your screen. So just click on start to take you to Telegram and to pop up like this. Yeah, so I guess their whole model or gimmick is like imitating a tomato. I don't know, I want us to earn tomatoes, so just come click on start earning tomato. So there's a daily check-in reward just like Blom, guys. So this is for day one. This is what will pop up, so click on continue and let it load. Yeah, so first thing you do is you can start farming. Click on the red button at the down, start farming. So you come back here to claim every 60 minutes. Every 60 minutes you get 360 tomatoes. Yeah, so then guys, come to the middle, at the down part, click on task. Here you'll find a couple of tasks you can do to earn more tomatoes. So the first one is subscribe to Tomarket Telegram channel. So just click on start, let it load. Just join the channel, then go back. So it's gonna load, and then you can claim 2000 tomatoes just like that. Then you can follow the same steps to do the remaining tasks, just like join to market community. So let's do that. Click on join. Once it joins, you can just go back and let it load and claim your reward. Guys, you do the same thing. You do the same thing for the tax, and I guess they're gonna be coming up with regular tasks here. So just be sure to check in daily and check for these tasks to do them. So yeah, follow on X. You can follow them on X. Yeah. Claim. So yeah, that's all for that. And then you can come at this downside where there are friends. Click on it. This is where you can invite other people, guys. You get your referral link here. So these are the perks you get if you invite someone successfully. Invite a friend, you get 2000 tomatoes and one daily chance to play a game. I told you guys it's just like Blum, so I'll show you in just a minute. You get 2000 when you invite a friend, and when you invite a friend with Telegram Premium, you get 20,000, and you also receive 10% earnings from whatever your referrals or your invites make. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, this place here, let me just try it for you here. Yeah, so yeah, you can click on it to play game. As you can see, I have 12 chances to play. You can play it to get more earn more tomatoes, guy. It's not compulsory, but if you want to get more tomatoes, and you can play it regularly. So the first time like this, I have 12 chances. So I click on it. So here's how to play the game. Just tap on the tomatoes, and then as you can see, I clicked on the bomb, and then I missed all my earnings. Just focus on the tomatoes, and if you see any other strange looking thing like a bomb, try to avoid it. As you can see, I'm avoiding that black bomb. Then there's also there's some an ice block, or an ice cube. If you see it, you can click it. Yeah, this snowflakes like that. You can click the snowflakes. Let me just play one more time to freeze the screen, so you'll be able to capture or tap on more tomatoes. Yeah, so just keep doing it to earn more tomatoes daily. So that's it. Just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, okay. So that's all, guys. Yeah, so be sure to check in daily, regularly. And yeah, guys, that's that for this video. I'll leave a link in the description for you to subscribe. I'll also leave a link. If you have further questions, you can drop it in the comments, and I'll leave a link to my Telegram community, my Telegram channel. You can join and ask questions. Also leave a link to my WhatsApp if you want to have a conversation with me directly. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Bye, guys. See you all in my next video.